Hello everyone, you are watching Mad Titan X, and if you watched my previous video, you know I'm doing a build in the INWIN 928 chassis. Now, before we do any build, it's very important to make sure we test our components, and for me even more so, as I did cheap out a little bit and bought a refurbished motherboard and second-hand RAM. Now, to perform the test, we are going to have to rip a few components out of the 900D build, that being the heart of the system, the Intel i9 CPU, some various other components. We'll get them installed into the Dismatech Easy V3 test bench, and fingers crossed we get a post.
Fetch the anaesthetist. Fetch the anaesthetist. Don't wanna go under the knife, I believe in this. Fetch the anaesthetist. Fetch the anaesthetist. Don't wanna go under the knife, I believe. You fucking smarter. Just a dog in the industry, you'll come. You shed your blood for the convicted. You parasite. You play God and you don't get a winner. You suck the blood of the afflicted. You suck the blood of the afflicted. Illness is not an indulgence which you should pay for. Nor is it a crime for which you should be punished. For this conviction, I would endanger my health. Shut it! Just consume Great Britain's and lust for fame. No, you won't see us participating in that game. Keep it twisted, take on success. Cause all I really want is what's beating in your chest. Doctor, fetch the anaesthetist. Fetch the anaesthetist. Don't wanna go under the knife, I believe in this. Fetch the anaesthetist. Fetch the anaesthetist. Don't wanna go under the knife, I believe. We get to your help, but just to inform these rounds like you. And every day you roll the dice. We get to your help. We capitalize on your condition. Bad luck, you pay the price. Bad luck, you pay the price. Fetch the anaesthetist. Fetch the anaesthetist. Don't wanna go under the knife, I believe in this. You sell a shot. You will not profit off our help. Step the fuck back.
Well guys, as you can see, I've had a bit of success and it posted successfully. So now the next stage will be to dismantle this once again. I will get something a bit more permanent set up for the test bench, but most of this I need for the INWIN. So the next few episodes we're going over will be building the INWIN 928. So once again, thank you very much for watching, and if you like what you saw here today and you want to keep up with the INWIN 928 build, please subscribe and we'll see you soon. Cheers.